Ever feel like your money is playing hide and seek, and you're always the one searching? You're meticulously tracking expenses, setting budgets, and yet, somehow, the month ends with more questions than cash. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. In today's world, managing personal finances can feel like navigating a complex maze. That's where budgeting apps like Rocket Money step in, promising to simplify the process, automate the tedious tasks, and give you a clearer picture of your financial landscape. But with so many budgeting tools vying for your attention, how do you know which one truly delivers on its promises? Is Rocket Money the superhero your wallet has been waiting for, or just another app adding to the digital clutter? We've put Rocket Money through its paces, diving deep into its features, exploring its strengths, and uncovering its potential weaknesses. So, if you're considering using Rocket Money to take control of your finances, or if you're already a user wondering if you're getting the most out of it, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive review, we're going to break down exactly what Rocket Money offers. We'll explore its core budgeting functionalities, its bill negotiation features, its subscription management tools, and even its net worth tracking capabilities. We'll highlight what we think works exceptionally well, pointing out the features that truly shine and offer tangible benefits. But more importantly, we're going to be honest about what doesn't quite hit the mark. We'll discuss any limitations, potential drawbacks, or areas where Rocket Money could improve. Our goal isn't just to list features, it's to provide you with a practical understanding of whether Rocket Money aligns with your financial goals and management style. We'll consider factors like ease of use, the level of customization offered, the accuracy of its insights, and the overall value proposition. By the end of this review, you should have a clear and unbiased perspective to help you decide if Rocket Money is the right tool to help you finally win that financial hide-and-seek game. So, let's dive in and see what Rocket Money is really all about. One of the first things that strikes you about Rocket Money is its user-friendly interface. Navigating the app feels intuitive, even for those who might be new to budgeting apps. Connecting your financial accounts is a relatively straightforward process, and once your data is synced, Rocket Money automatically categorizes your transactions. This automatic categorization is a significant time saver, eliminating the need to manually sort through every purchase. For many users, this feature alone can be a game changer, providing an instant overview of where their money is going. Furthermore, Rocket Money's budgeting tools are quite robust. You can set spending limits for various categories, and the app provides clear visual representations of your progress against these limits. The ability to customize these categories and create your own is a definite plus, allowing you to tailor the budget to your specific spending habits and financial priorities. The app also offers insights into your spending patterns, highlighting areas where you might be overspending. These insights can be incredibly valuable for identifying opportunities to cut back and save more. Another standout feature is Rocket Money's bill negotiation service. This is where the app goes beyond simply tracking your spending and actively tries to save you money. For a fee, which is a percentage of the savings they achieve, Rocket Money will contact your service providers, like internet, phone, or cable companies, and attempt to negotiate lower rates on your behalf. While the success of these negotiations can vary, the potential for savings can be significant, especially if you haven't reviewed your bills in a while. This hands-off approach to bill negotiation can be a huge draw for busy individuals who don't have the time or inclination to haggle with customer service. The subscription management feature is another area where Rocket Money shines. In today's world of numerous digital subscriptions, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going each month. Rocket Money provides a clear overview of all your recurring subscriptions, making it easy to identify and cancel those you no longer need or use. This feature can be surprisingly effective in uncovering hidden expenses and freeing up cash flow. The app also sends reminders before free trials end, helping you avoid unwanted charges. Finally, Rocket Money offers the ability to track your net worth by linking your various assets, like bank accounts, investment accounts, and even property and liabilities, like loans and credit card debt. This provides a holistic view of your financial health beyond just income and expenses. While not as detailed as dedicated net worth tracking apps, it's a valuable addition that helps you monitor your overall financial progress over time. However, like any tool, Rocket Money isn't without its limitations. While the automatic transaction categorization is generally accurate, it's not always perfect. You may occasionally need to manually recategorize transactions, which can become tedious if you have a high volume of daily spending. The level of detail in the budgeting features, while sufficient for most users, might not satisfy those who require highly granular control over their budget categories and rules. The bill negotiation service, while potentially valuable, comes with a fee. This fee is typically a percentage of the savings achieved, but it's important to factor this cost into your overall assessment of the service. If Rocket Money isn't successful in negotiating a lower rate, you won't be charged, but the savings aren't guaranteed. Additionally, some users might be hesitant to grant a third-party app access to their financial accounts and personal information for the purpose of negotiation. While the subscription management feature is helpful, it relies on accurately identifying recurring charges. In some cases, it might misclassify certain payments or fail to identify less obvious subscriptions. It's still essential for users to periodically review the list and ensure its accuracy. The net worth tracking feature, while a welcome addition, is relatively basic. It provides a snapshot of your assets and liabilities but lacks the in-depth analysis and reporting offered by dedicated financial planning tools. If detailed investment tracking and financial forecasting are important to you, you might need to supplement Rocket Money with other apps or spreadsheets. Another potential drawback for some users is the push towards their premium subscription, Rocket Money Premium. While the free version offers a solid set of budgeting and tracking tools, some features, like advanced insights, unlimited custom categories, and more robust customer support, are locked behind the premium paywall. While the premium features might be worth the cost for some users, it's important to be aware of these limitations if you're primarily looking for a free budgeting solution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.